Hello, my dear friends. Tiramisu. What does that bring onto your mind? It's a very delicate, fragrant, coffee flavored, exquisite dessert. And yes, if it's made in individual portions with cakes in between instead of biscuits, it's all the more yummy. So let's make it. For that, we will separate the egg yolks and whites and fluff up egg yolks first with addition of sugar. All the measurements I have noted down in the description box. So I'll fluff this up very well. Keep this aside, and into another whisking jar I'll take egg whites with an addition of a pinch of salt. I'll whisk it very well, enough to reach the stiff peak stage. Just before the stiff peak stage I have stopped it and added the egg yolk mix. Fluff both of them together very well. Into that, this is melted butter and this is the gluten-free and corn flour mix, because we want this cake to be very, very light. Otherwise we use ladyfinger biscuits, that is the Savoiardi biscuits for classic tiramisu. All dry ingredients we are adding, including baking powder and corn flour. Everything is there now. This is melted and cooled butter and milk. Into that mix we will mix all the dry ingredients, and slowly we will incorporate this very slowly into the fluffed up and whipped up egg mix. We will lighten the flour with a little bit of the egg mix first, and then put everything back into the whipped up eggs. We have to take a tray of 8 into 8 by 12 inches. This is a bit larger than that, so I am spreading this out. I have already set the oven at 170 degrees, and we will, since this is a very thin cake, I will bake it only for 10 minutes onwards. You have to keep checking. And now you can see how flexible and how thin and how airy it has become. So keep that aside, let it cool down a little bit. Meanwhile, we'll make coffee liqueur with the addition of boiling water into coffee powder. Coffee powder is instant or as per your liking, and enough sugar into it. Keep that aside. We will make the cream filling now. I have taken the quantity required as described, the quantity of heavy cream and the cream cheese. I have taken all of them and beat it together with a little bit of caster sugar, because my this was unsweetened heavy cream. Now it's assembling time. Everything is cool, is ready. We'll assemble, dip each pieces. As you saw, I have cut down the cakes into small bits because I'm going to arrange it in cups. Otherwise, you may do this in a glass bowl or a glass box type rectangular bowl as a full size cake. Now on top of this, since this is in individual glasses, this gives you the liberty to decorate it with your own liking, with cocoa nibs, with coffee powder, chocolate, or as I have done, strawberry shavings of any other fruits. You may, in between also, you may introduce, if you have fresh pineapple and mango, you may introduce them. So this is the way it will look. It's that yummy. I can't get over this, because now this is over, so I'm very sad. Looking at this makes me to want this, to eat this once again. So my dear friends, do try out this easy recipe, and please do share and subscribe to Gluten Free India for more such easy recipes. Thank you.